Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Here is your presenter Hamad Akbar back with another exciting and informative video regarding to the coordinate system. So guys, today we will be learning about the coordinate system, which basically means how to solve a graph. So let's begin. So now here are some points you need to know about the coordinate system. A coordinate grid has a horizontal x-axis and a vertical y-axis. So in a graph it has a x-axis and y-axis. The points at which the x-axis and y-axis intersect, or you can say connect or meet together, is called the origin. So guys, the point where the x-axis and y-axis they meet together is called the origin. A point on the grid is named using an ordered pair of numbers. The first number, the x-coordinate, names the distance from the origin along the x-axis. The second number, the y-coordinate, names the distance from the origin along the y-axis. So guys, the first number, the x coordinate, it names the distance, and the second, the y coordinate, it names the distance from the origin along the y-axis. So now let's try to solve a few questions. So here are some questions. So the first one is C. We have to write C74. So what, here is also another point. Whenever you're solving a graph, you have to always start with x. Whenever you see the first number, you have to start with x. So 7 is the first number, so 7 is here, and 4 is the second, so we have to do it from the y axis. So 7 4 is basically here, the black dot, and we have to name it C. So now let's look at another one. So now let's look at A, which is 3 8. So 3 8 is basically here. 3 we start with the x-axis, and then 8 we go up with the y-axis. So 3 8 is here, and we have to name it A. Okay, so I know it's not a proper A, but it'll do for now. Okay, so now let's look at 10 10, which is H. So 10 10 is basically, here's 10 and here is 10. So 10 10 is going to be here. Yes, and we name it H. Okay, now next. Now we look at 6 10, which is basically ED. So 6 we have to do with the x-axis, and then 10 is up with the y-axis. So it is D. D, okay. So now let's look at another one. So E is 0 6. So how to solve this is, when you start, you don't go anywhere here. You just stay at the point, and 6 should be up. So here is 6. So here it is, which is basically D. No, sorry for that, it is E. Okay. So sorry, 1 second guys. Okay. One second guys. Okay, now E, okay, we finished E. Now let's look at number 6, which is 5 0, and it is K. So 5 0 is here 5, and we stay at this point because it's basically 0, so it's K. I know it's a little big, but it's okay. Okay, now Z, which is 2 1. Z, 2 is the x-axis and 1 is the y-axis, so Z. And last for the day, 5 10. So 5 is in the x-axis and 10 is fully up, so here it is, and which is J. I know it's kind of weird, but it's okay, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you next time.